Evaluate the performance of your 3D prints with print traceability, obtaining instant certification of each of your prints and ensuring the highest quality and optimization for all your projects. Print&Go allows you to monitor your prints with a complete and efficient tracking system, providing a detailed history and analysis of every print. All print details are recorded, including material usage, printer temperature, date and time of the print, and also the errors that were detected along the way. With detailed tracking of each piece project, you can quickly identify, resolve problems, and enhance your overall workflow. Track every detail from the printer settings to material usage. Start printing now and centralize your printing intelligence with Print&Go. Happy printing!